I'm finally back with another video, okay? And I know I made y'all wait for a minute.
Excuse me? You in my business? Yeah, don't do that. Anywho.
But you know, for good content. What's up, y'all? I am finally back. I'm not gonna act like this isn't my fault because I'm the one that gotta release the videos. But at the end of the day, y'all, I had a whole lot going on. I know y'all been waiting for me, but today I'm back because today we back with a new video, and I'm bringing y'all my apartment tour. Okay, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna give you 2 seconds. 1, 1.5, 2. Thank you. Okay, if you are new to my channel, then welcome. And welcome. I'm gonna stop talking y'all head off because I want to get into my video because I really want to show y'all what we got going on here. And yeah, let's get into the video. So first of all, you walk through the front door. This is the front door, and then over here is like just like a regular little closet, and then you have the living room. Voila. Yeah, so I got this basket right here. This came from a store called HomeSense. I think this basket was like 20 maybe, and then I got this little blanket. I don't know where the blanket came from, but anyways, I got the blanket to go just like if you wanted to sit on the couch and just chill with a blanket. This TV stand and the TV are my roommates, so I don't know where the TV stand came from, but it's hers. Anywho, the plant. I got the plant from IKEA and the pot as well. It's a new plant, so yeah, she's little right now, but she gonna grow. It's gonna get like way bigger. This mirror also came from IKEA. I think I bought it for like $50. So I have these lamps. These lamps came from, I think they also came from the store called HomeSense, but I do not remember. I don't remember, but I have this lamp here, and then I have another one over there. And then all of these pictures, that one in the middle is my roommate's, but I'm pretty sure she got it from At Home. I bought, pretty much all of this came from At Home. That picture right there, the 2 little mirrors, and then that picture as well came from At Home. This rug, from my mom bought it for me, so I don't really know where it came from. But I can't tell y'all, this ottoman, oh my gosh, let me tell y'all. It was originally, I think it was like $100, and we found it in as is for $50. And I was so hyped about that because I couldn't get a blue couch. I made sure I got a blue ottoman. The 2 pillows also came from Value City. Those white fluffy ones came from At Home, and then the couch also came from Value City. But yeah, they had the same exact couch in blue. These little statues, little pair of statues came from, I think I got them from At Home, but I don't remember. I get a lot of stuff from At Home. My mom, and At Home is a store. Y'all, I really had wanted a blue couch, but my roommate said she did not want a blue couch, and I swear that was the only reason that we did not get a blue couch. But it's okay though, because I think that if we had got a blue couch, it would have been like an overload. And then we have the kitchen area. That over there is just a washing machine and dryer. And then you have the table set. This is my roommate's table set, so I'm not sure where she got it from. But that's the kitchen. And yeah, now we're gonna go to my room. So yeah. So I'm not really gonna go in depth, but this is the kitchen area. I like them little lights at the top. Let me show y'all the little lights. That was cute to me. Anyways, yeah, kitchen. And I'm gonna go show y'all my room because that's what we're here for. First, I have these little, I don't even know what to call them, but they're wall decorations, basically. I'm pretty sure they came from At Home. Everything in this video is really gonna come from At Home, probably anyway. My TV, I got the picture right here. Is me, my little brother, and my mom. And I got some candy right here. It seems like people come over here and I don't buy snacks, so I keep a little bowl of candy. When people come over, somebody's gonna eat that candy, and if it don't, it'll get stuck to the bottom of the bowl and end up in the trash. So my speaker, that's usually down there somewhere. I have this little thing, you know, Toasty C. If you haven't already, subscribe. Thank you. I got this little candle over here. I don't even know. It's just a candle. I thought it was cute because it was blue. My remotes, I usually sit them on the end there. And I have these little cubby things here. I bought this cubby I bought the cubbies and the little boxes that are inside of it. I bought those from IKEA. And I keep my purse in this box, or the cubbies that have the actual boxes in them are just full of just a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Like one of them has exercise stuff, one has like textbooks, electronics. So it just depends. Down here I keep like fragrance stuff. So like usually I'll keep my candles or keep room spray. These are like essential oils, and then I keep my lighter there. Down here I have the stuff for my hookah. So this is the cage. The hookah's out there because I had to clean it, and then that's like everything else, like the mouthpieces and the hose. And then I keep my Xbox right there. So this is my favorite part of my room, is my little desk area, because I work from home, so, and I have online classes, so I spend a lot of my time in my room and sitting at a desk doing work. So let me close this. Okay, so I got both of these pictures from At Home, and then this came from Ross or TJ Maxx. I'm pretty sure it was Ross though. This light right here came from a store called HomeSense. I feel like it was probably around like maybe $20. I think it wasn't that expensive, but I really wanted a lamp. Bruh, I did not even know how I did that. Okay, anyways. Back to the video. These came from the same store, and this desk came from the store At Home. This came from At Home. It was $20. Yeah, I don't really like this pillow no more. I feel like it got a little bit dingy. I had it on my bed at some point, but I don't like it no more. This chair, oh my gosh, when I tell y'all I found the chair, I really wanted a clear chair, and I finally found it. And I believe it took a minute for this chair to get here, like almost 3 weeks, because I got a lot of people asking me questions about it when I posted it on Instagram. So I'm gonna put the link in the description for that. These curtains, my friend Paige found them for me. I really wasn't planning to get blue curtains. I was gonna get like some really sheer like white ones, but she found these curtains for me. If y'all haven't noticed, blue is clearly my favorite color. That chair came from, what's the store called? Pier 1. I don't know how much it was, honestly. Don't ask me. My mom used to have a chair and she stopped using it, and I just asked her for it because blue my favorite color and I really wanted it. So here we are. That's mine now. Thanks, Mom. Once again, move this back to the chair. I use this for like just back support. Here is my bed, y'all. Let me tell you, I went through a hassle to find a bed. I looked everywhere. I really could not find the kind of bed that I wanted, but this was the style I was going for. I just kind of wanted like a tall bed that had some kind of like stones or studs on it or whatever. And so this was what I found. So that picture up there came from At Home. Everything in this house is damn near from At Home. That picture came from At Home, and my bed came from Value City. Like I told y'all, I think I told you my other furniture was from Value City. Well, my bed came from Value City as well. I think it was like $3 something. That was the only thing. I was not trying to spend that much on a bed, but when I saw this bed, it was a perfect color. I knew I was gonna do blue, white, and like some form of gray. So yeah, this bed was perfect. I love my bed. I know I have a whole bunch of pillows on my bed. This rug came from At Home, definitely. This lampshade came from a completely different store than the actual lamp. The lamp, I don't remember where that came from. I really don't. And I got this mirror right here. My mirror came from At Home. It was originally $80 and it was half off. It was on sale, so I only bought it for $40. There's not much to see in my closet. I honestly need to kind of go through it. And I still have that bin is full of clothes, and then I have this bin right here is also full of clothes, and then yeah, all my stuff there. But that is pretty much my closet. Y'all don't really gotta get into that, but yeah. And then my bathroom. I don't really like my bathroom too much, but it'll suffice. So I got the shower curtain, of course, from at home. The door, I have this it's like a towel holder. I usually put my washcloths and towel on it, but right now I'm washing clothes, so yeah, it's not up there. So I forgot to show y'all my TV. Hold on, let me turn the light down. I was so excited. Okay, first of all, I was really excited that I'm gonna cut the light back on. I was really excited that I had found like LED lights like that, because when I was trying to look for the ones that was on like Amazon and stuff, they was like $13, and it was too much. Like I didn't need that much. I bought these lights from, I think, Walmart for like $5. Anyways, they work perfectly fine. You can control it with the app, and there's a remote also, but I usually control it with the app. But yeah, those are my little lights, and it'd be a cool little vibe, especially at night when it's dark and I'm just trying to, you know, relax and wind down. So that is my apartment tour. Like I said, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, stay tuned, because I do got some more videos coming for y'all. I will be going out of town in a couple weeks. I'm not gonna tell y'all where, but stay tuned, because I'm probably gonna vlog for y'all. So anyways, I'm out.